Mom! Where are you? Please don't leave me.
The supermarket is going to be very busy today.
We're out of milk and eggs.
Can I come too? I want to help.
Of course. But do you remember the rules? Do you remember the rules?
I do.
Don't run off.
And what if you get lost? Find a security guard.
Great job! Let's go!
Yay! Wow, there are so many fruits.
Today, you get to help us choose. Ben, can you help me pick 5 apples?
Yes, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great counting, buddy. You're really good at counting.
I can count all the way to 100.
I believe that. Ben, can you help me choose some bananas?
This one.
Why? Why did you pick that bunch?
Because it's the biggest.
We need some carrots, too.
I don't like carrots.
But carrots are good for your eyes.
Wow! Dad, look! That pumpkin is huge!
It's almost as big as you.
I bet it's really heavy. I want a picture with it. Of course.
Okay, but don't go too far.
Huh? Mom! Dad, wait for me!
Ben, stay close to us, okay?
Okay.
I need to grab some cooking oil.
I'll push the cart this way.
Okay. Wow. They have dinosaur candy. And rocket candy, too.
Come on, Ben.
We still have a lot to buy.
Okay. Mom? Dad? Mom? Dad? Mom? Where did everybody go? Wait, what did Dad say? That's right. If I get lost, I need to find a security guard. I need to find a security guard. That's what Dad said.
Are you lost? I can help you find your parents.
No, thank you. I'm gonna find a security guard. Thank you. There! A security guard. Excuse me. I can't find my mom and dad.
That's okay, buddy. I'll help you. Come with me, buddy.
Okay.
Hi there. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I just got lost. We'll call your parents right away.
Okay. We'll call your parents right away.
Okay.
Attention, shoppers. Ben's parents, please come to the information desk.
Do you think my parents heard it?
I'm sure they did. You did a great job.
Attention, shoppers. Ben's parents, please come to the information desk. I heard Ben's name.
That's Ben.
The information desk. Let's go.
Dad! Mom! Mom!
Ben!
I was so worried about you.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay now. You're safe.
I was really scared.
I know, buddy. What did you do when you got lost?
I remembered what you told me.
You did?
I found a security guard.
You did exactly the right thing.
I'm very proud of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for helping Ben.
You're welcome. Ben handled it very well.
Thank you, sir.
Let's head home.
This time I'm not letting go.
That's a good idea. I agree. What did you learn today?
If I get lost, I should find a security guard.
Exactly.
And I should never go with a stranger.
Exactly right.
I was really scared, but I remembered what Mom and Dad taught me.
And you did a great job.
We're very proud of you.
What would you do if you got lost?
Tell Ben's family in the comments.
and always stay safe in crowded places.
See you in the next adventure!